Hello. Welcome back to the STEM activity of today. So today we're going to construct our very own gliding car. Now, the materials you're going to need are some popsicle sticks, a straw, something to cut with, some tape, a skewer or dowels, cardstock. Now this is the thicker paper, not the printer paper. A ruler. You can either use bottle tops or purchase wheels. I'm going to use the purchase wheels for my construction, but you can easily do this with bottle tops by drilling or with your pen forming a little hole in the center of your bottle top to create your own wheel. Now the wheel has to be light, so that's why bottle tops is a great substitution if you don't want to go out and buy the plastic wheels. I got these from Amazon. So let's get into it. Now that we've constructed our very own gliding car, let's see if it glides. Now, the objective is to push it off of the table or the runway with one single push, and it glides, not nosedives, off of the table. Now, will it go far? Probably not, but you will see the gliding effect based off the structure of your wings and the lightness of your car. So let's see. Maybe let's